Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Roblox. Today we are playing Cars versus Trucks. And, okay, we just loaded in. So whenever you just load in, you won't even get the chance as a car, you just immediately become a truck. So, let's see if we can get him. We can't, but there is something that you should, and see. Now see, the way you do it is you click shift and then you click nothing. Like, you just let go WASD. If you need to turn, just A and D. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So, so there is the car. So we have to hit the car, and that's how we crush it. Oh my gosh, get stuck. Why are we stuck? I'm spamming F. We're just stuck. We're stuck. We are stuck. Why are we stuck? Well, we'll just sit here. Wait, can we respawn? Nope, there's no need to. I don't actually have the ambulance, but I have one of the fastest cars. And if you think I don't have the best truck, then you should check this out. I have the best truck, and I can even show you. We need Rainbow Circuit. So as you can see in here, the best thing is the Cybertruck, and I have it. And the best, well, I have a bunch of cars. This one has 9 speed, 9 acceleration. This has the same, but it's 4. This one's different. So yeah, so as you can see, so something I love to do is I love to do this. And I think in the city there is a little trick. I'll show you that soon. Yeah. Okay, they're chasing me. They're chasing me. They're chasing me. Alright, we're out of here. And there's another method I know, and I will show you that right now. It's on this map. Like, if they're just chasing you, you can just hit that. Ooh. The trucks is about to hit me. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we're dead. What a blast. Oh my gosh. Oh, Crossroads. So it's on the Crossroads map, actually. We're getting Crossroads. Now, see, you can barely go off anywhere. Why is there that little thing? Why is it at? It's a little thing on Earth. And Earth. Wait, wow. So let's go. I think it is over here. I think. I don't know. Okay, there it is. So it's right there. And, bruh. How is that? How does that make sense? How the flip does that make sense? No one's voting. Oh. So this is another one of a good. This is another one. Another good map. And we're just gonna keep doing it. Wait a minute. This is the Roblox one. And this is the second one. Okay. Well, let's go. Woo! And you want to go here. It's a... Bro! Is there a hacker in this game? Yeah, I think there's a hacker in it. Yeah, I think there's a hacker in this game. Like, we just try to vote a map, or we try to do something, and then we just can't. Yeah, yeah, there's definitely a hacker in here. This happens again, I might just end. Or I'll just leave and rejoin. Let's hope it doesn't end instantly. Oh. And so this is the spot. So I have no idea what's happening with this, but it keeps being weird. I'm kind of farming coins. So the area is here. And basically, whenever they come, you wanna, if they're coming from here, this way, you wanna dodge them and then go up and then start flying. If they're coming from here, you just go, cause then they'll just go. They'll just zoom into there, even though, hopefully fall. Oh, Cybertruck. He's trying to get me. He's trying to get me. And I'm dead. Oh. 1 minute. Wow. Oh my gosh. Alright, crossroads again. For some reason we have a really high jump. Okay, so Josh with Wii. And Robux spent 20,000. 8.1 million? I only have 2,000. Bruh. I just realized you could do this. Oh no. The best spot is to probably just farm it. Wait. Yeah, I've gotten really good at using the drift. It's just the handbrake. What is happening? Dude, jump was fell. Oh my gosh. Oh shit! No! No! my gosh. Okay. Okay. And that got him. I have no idea what's happening. That's not fair. As you can see, I have almost died. And they're dead. Okay, woo. Okay. Well. Yeah, I had too many spins. So we're gonna spin. We didn't get that awesome legendary. Well, that's all we have time for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And bye.